A very good morning to all the parents and students. I will be showing you how to set up MS Teams on a PC or any mobile device. So first let's see how to set up MS Teams on a PC. So first thing that you need to do is open any web browser. Okay, in this case I'm using Google Chrome. So once you open the browser, search for MS Teams. Click on the first link that you get. It will take you to Microsoft website. So there, scroll down slightly to see this portion in your screen and click on download app. So once you click on that, you will be able to see this page and click on download for desktop. So once you do that, it will again ask you to click on this button. So once you click, it will download the file and you'll be able to find it at this portion of the screen. Okay, so if it is not here, if you're using any other browser, go to downloads folder in your system. You will be able to find this particular file. So run the file, it will install MS Teams and you should have this window. So once you see this window, log in with the credentials provided to you. Okay, a particular username ending with jnpuc.in will be provided to you with a password. So every student will have a unique ID and password. Log in using that and you will be able to access MS Teams. So this is the interface for MS Teams, where you have something called calendar, okay, under which your classes will be scheduled and you'll be able to see the classes. For example, if you have a math class, it will show here math and there will be a join button. Okay, so you'll be able to join the class directly going to the calendar. Okay, so the next thing that you need to know is there's something called Teams here. So when you click on Teams, it will show you the classes that you have been assigned. Okay, so if you do not see any class there, we will give you a class code. So what you have to do is click on this join or create team. So once you click on join or create team, you'll be able to see this window. Enter the class code that is given to you here in this box and click on join team. By doing that, you will be joining a particular class allotted to you. Now this is all we have for a PC. Now to do it on a mobile phone, what you need to do is open Play Store, or if you're using iOS, it will be App Store. Search for MS Teams or just Teams. This is the application. Click on install and it will install and it will be there on your phone. Okay, you can do it on a phone or a tablet. So this is the window you will get after you install. So put the credentials given to you, the login ID and the password. So after that, you will see this welcome page. Keep clicking on next button for you to navigate through the pages. So once you reach the end of the page, you'll have this particular window. Okay, so here you have the same options, but you don't have it on the side, you have it at the bottom. So you have the same option, calendar here and Teams. Okay, so if you click on calendar, you'll be able to see the classes, and if you click on Teams, you will see what all classes you've been assigned to. And if you don't see any classes, we will provide you a particular code. So click on the three dots, the vertical dots on top, click on join a team with a code and enter the code. Click on join. You'll be able to join the class. By doing this, you'll join the class and all the calendar events will be synced. Thank you and welcome to Jyoti Niwas.